Okay, boys.
You ready?
We working with a new pistol today. It's, I don't know, it's like a Golden Eagle something.
Desert Eagle?
1911.
Talking about a good Desert Eagle?
No, it's the brand. The brand's Golden Eagle.
We gotta get a slow-mo ball hit.
New pistol. Shoots good.
I'd say we have someone start where our fort was. Someone start in this corner, and then someone start where that tree is in the back.
Bet. Let's do it.
Where's that? Oh.
The fort we built.
With the 2 posts. And
I got the back tree.
Alright.
Alright, I got over here.
Okay, yep.
You got the fort.
Yep.
I got like 30 rounds in each mag, and I have 2 mags. So I got about 60 rounds for each game. I'm gonna say it's pretty good, but this thing might hurt. I don't know. We'll see what happens.
Ready!
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! First game, already being shot at. I don't like this. This thing isn't shooting very well. Oh shit. Oh. Hey, shot. Hey, don't shoot me. Hit. Hey, Drew, we're done. Do you wanna spin for guns?
Sure.
I'll take the pistol.
We'll use the Gatorade.
We can use that can too.
Right, helmet's fogged up real bad.
We should record this.
I know, that's what I was thinking.
I didn't hit you that one shot,
Gatorade of death.
Yeah, just give me 1 second. Alright, so
This is for the pistol.
we're spinning for guns. This is the pistol.
I got the
DP
pistol.
gets the pistol.
Alright. For that one right there.
For that one, the AK? Alright, I said it's Kyan. So Kyan gets the AK, Drew gets the pistol, and I get this M4 type
Are these
thing.
both ready? Alright. Round 2. I got the pistol today. Looking flash.
Are you ready?
I'm ready!
Like the UFC commentator?
Kind of see this right here. I'm gonna go straight there. Hide, peek around to Adam, see where he's at. Try to get a shot off. Didn't come around. I bet Kyan's gonna come around that log pile right there. So that's my plan for the game. So.
Alright, we're good. 3, 2.
Alright, here we go. Okay, we're gonna push forward. Get to the tree. Watch back. Big time. Okay, Adam doesn't see us. Okay, good spot.
I know Kyan was over there. I think Drew ran that way. Ooh. There's somebody shooting.
Okay, got Kyan.
I'm ready whenever you are, Drew.
All right, give me 3 seconds. All right, round 3 coming up here. Round 3. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1.
All right, third round. Let's get it. How does he not hit?
Okay, push up. Okay, sit.
How did you not know I was here? Right here. Yes, move out of the way.
Let's go, baby. Okay, got eyes on the... Let's see if we can get him ready. I'm ready.
Ow! Why would you do that? That hurts so bad.
Okay, missed.
Ah, God. That was like a direct hit. Ah.
You want another one?
No! That hurt.
We're getting fogged up here.
Where did DP go? Oh, I see.
Come back. Come on. Okay. Got behind here. Taking shots. Okay, we're gonna run back here.
Oh! Ah!
Alright, let's push through this way.
There's a mark. It hurts.
Get through. Come on.
Hey, Drew! Give me 1 sec to wipe off my goggles.